Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So, checking, energy check, prediction, gabay, mensahe. So, yes, yun ang ating i-read. Okay? So, under your zodiac, syempre, under your elements. So, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And, syempre, para maging member ka ng collectives, no, ng Fias Tarot. And, syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, message na lang po. Ganun din po pagdating sa ating mga charms and iba nating items, okay? So, syempre, sa mga bago dyan, again, this is our cord cutting, yung pangtanggal po ng blockages sa energies nyo para magandang pasok ng blessings. Yung atin namang 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. O, diba? Shining, shimmering, splendid. O, diba? Ang ganda. Nakakaaliw. So, meron siyang citrine stone po. No, citrine stone po is acting like a money magnet. So, tutulungan ka niya na talagang mas maging maganda pa yung pamemera mo. And ganun rin po pagdating po sa love. No, if you're single, if you are currently in a connection, relationship, kung mayroon conflict, and sa ex mo, yan, pwede yan sa'yo. Okay? So, gagawin yan kung ano yung dapat nararapat sa'yo sa energy mo pagdating sa love. No? And yeah, hindi ka makakapag-wish dito kay 2-in-1 love and money kasi alam nito kung anong dapat sa'yo. So, kapag yan ay nilabanan mo, so mahirapan ka lang. Just go with the flow. O dito kay ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. Gusto ko yung meron siyang shining, shimmering, splendid. O, diba? Naghahanap ako ng siya iilaw. Iilaw? Ano ba yan? Ano ba? Diba? Parang bata. Oh my God. Anyway, so, yung ating grantor naman. So, si grantor, dito ka pwede mag-wish, okay? So, could be legal matter, yan, mga makapasa sa bar or sa board exam, sa mga test na yan, makapasa ka sa pinag-applyan mong trabaho, ikaw ay ma-promote, mabigyan ng visa, to travel maybe, or to work abroad, yan, mga ganyan. And, ano pa, yung, ang tawag dito, anything. Okay, anything. So, yes, pwede pong ipag-grant, pwede pong mag-manifest gamit yung ating grantor. Pero, syempre, aside doon, meron pa siyang ibibigay sa at least twice per week na surprises. Depende rin sa iyong frequency and energies. Okay, so, dapat wala kang blockage. Okay, so, what else? So, yung ating mga evil eye protection, they are all available. Ating necklace, okay, yung ring natin, adjustable yung ring natin, and may mga bracelets po tayo, no? So, okay, so, yung atin namang cleansing kit, hindi tayo papawala ng cleansing kit kasi napaka-important niyan. And, syempre, yung ating bago na dalawa, bago-bago. So, ito yung ating attracting spray na good for love, good for money, okay, in general. Okay, so if you're looking or if you're searching, if you're wanting more pagdating sa love, pagdating sa money mo, so makakatulong sa iyo to. Okay? Anyway, we don't chase. Okay? Ikaw yung i-chase ng gusto mo. So, yan po ha. Yun ang goal natin. Okay? We don't chase. Kapag nag-spray ka nito, alam mong hindi ka dapat mag-chase. Alam mong hindi ka magiging needy. Ha? Okay, ganun po, ha. Alam mo na kapag ito in-spray mo, ako yung gustuhin, ako yung hahabulin, ako yung bibilihan, ako yung ganyan. Okay? So, if you were wanting to use this, no, pagdating po sa iyong person, could be your ex or somebody na new love interest, I need their name. Okay, I need their name. This is 50 ml, by the way. Okay, so hypoallergenic. Yes, hypoallergenic. So, pwede kong gamitin. Kasi, ako ay may sensitive skin. Oo, so, yes, if you have sensitive skin, pwede yan sa'yo. And, yung ating healing oil. Healing oil is good po pagdating sa masasakit sa katawan, sa mga hirap makatulog, sa mga palaging nahihilo. no? So, yes, ganun ako. So, nag-provide ako ng pwedeng pang heal kahit papano sa akin, no? Syempre, i-share ko yan sa inyo. So, ito siya yung gamit ko. Ang scent niya is white tea and ginger. Oh, so, yan. This is 30 ml po, by the way. Okay? So, kung meron pang mga ibang katanungan, mag-message na lang po. So, let's proceed sa ating reading. Yan. Air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay. Anong meron under your elements, under your zodiac? Again, to manifest, share the video. The High Priestess. The Four of Pentacles. Okay. So, meron ka ditong parang bagong pagkakabisihan. Meron kang bagong pag-aaralan. Mga ganyan. Meron ka rin ditong something na parang somebody na bibigyan to get their trust. Yes, that's specific. Okay? So, Judgment in reverse. Ang bango. Grabe. Ang bango. Judgment in reversed. And the Ace of Chalices in reverse. You're open sa new connection, pero I'm seeing this connection is ganun pa rin eh. Yung parang energy na yun pa rin yung nakita mo before, no? So, anong kailangan mong i-surrender para dyan? The Ten of Chalices. Okay. If you're unhappy, mas mabuti, unahin mo na maging happy ka muna. Okay? Maging okay emotionally, mentally. Yan. Para ang pumasok is good energy. If you're in the lower frequency, talagang ganito ang papasok po. Ha? Okay, some of you are still attached sa isang person mo sa past. So that is why they're the one giving you low frequency. Oo, kapag may mga naka-attach sa inyo. So, ito, pwede sa'yo to. See, nagkakaroon ng blockage eh. Para sabihin natin sa taong talagang para sa'yo. Merong something talaga eh, yan na dapat papasok. Pero na babarahan na kung sino man ito. Okay? So, Nine of Chalices in reversed. And the Page of Chalices. May nahihiya na magsabi ng totoo sa'yo. Could be their emotion. Yeah, nahihiya sila na maging open sa'yo. Could be younger water sign. Nahihiya sila. The Devil. Pero nandun yung energy na parang lalong lumalala yung emosyon or kung ano man. Okay, lalong nagiging heavy, no, kung ano man papunta sa'yo, parang ganyan. Andun yung obsession, some of you. This person is obsessed, wanting something na mangyari pagdating sa inyong dalawa. I don't know who. Could be younger. Okay? So, yeah, may nahihiya na magbigay or gumawa or something like that. I don't know why. Kung bakit sila nahihiya. I don't know. So, anyway, so there. So, next. Ating mga fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. So, what's for you? Again, para mag-manifest, share the video. Fire signs. Justice. The Four of Pentacles. So, may magbabayad na. Lalo na yung malalaki. Okay, malalaki yung mga atraso sa'yo. Yes, may chance po na may magbabayad dito. Okay? Yeah. Merong maayos na sitwasyon na parang naging magulo nga noon. Lalo na po sa pamemera or something legal. Okay? Mayroon pong maayos. Claim it. Yeah, share the video to manifest. Okay? So, the Emperor in reversed and the Ten of Wands. Okay, so iba dito, ipapasa sa'yo ni boss mo yung mga trabaho niya. Okay? Ipapasa sa'yo. Yung iba naman dito, pwedeng, absent si boss, wala si boss, parang ganyan. So, mas madami. Parang sabihin natin, imbis na mawala ng gawain kasi wala yung mga magtitingin, walang mga mata, yung mga ganyan. Pero parang lalong madaming gagawin. I don't know why. Okay, so siguro naka-monitor pa rin sila. Yes, naka-monitor pa rin. Okay. Iba po dito ha, na nasa ibang bansa. This is channeled, not for all. Ito po is, some of you, yung employee mo, pwedeng may iiwang something important dyan sa bahay or kung saan man. Huwag niyong papakalman, huwag niyong gagawin. Huwag niyong gagalawin. Okay? Kasi maybe they're trying to test you. They will try na i-test ka. Kung talaga mapapagkatiwalaan ka or what. Okay. So, what's with this 10? Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles. The Lovers. Ooh. Iba rito na single mother or single father. I'm hearing na pwedeng ikaw magkaroon ng bagong kakonek. Yeah. They're stalking you. They are stalking you. See? New connection. New connection. 10 of Pentacles. Yeah. Iiwanan mo na yun. Kung sakali man na meron kang toxic partner before, iwan mo na yun. Mas makakabuti. Okay? Lalo na sa iyong health. Okay? Hindi ka na ma-stress. Yeah. So, next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, again, to manifest, share the video. Okay. 6 of Pentacles in reverse. Then, okay. The Knight of Chalices. Meron ditong magpupursue. Wanting another chance. May magsosorry. May gagawa ng action para lang maging okay muli. Earth sign, water. Yeah. So, the 8 of Swords, somebody is thinking heavily. They're stuck. The Ace of Wands in reverse. Somebody na hindi na nagkaroon ng new beginning or new opportunity, maybe, new chance, another chance with you. They're overthinking. They're thinking of you. Could be an earth, I don't know, could be an air sign. They want something. They want another chance with you. Iba naman dito. Somebody's thinking of you sexually. Somebody is thinking of you sexually. Ulitin ko. Somebody's thinking of you sexually. Yeah. Yep. The Sun in reversed. Yung mga may utang sa'yo, nagtatago. Because hindi pa rin sila okay na magbayad. The Tower. Okay. A surprise is coming in. A surprise. Okay. So, unexpected. Unexpected. So, kung ano man to, hindi ko alam. Pero yeah, in general, may mga darating na sorpresa. Okay? Pagdating sa'yo. Siyempre, pag natin to tinignan, wala na. Yeah. Sabihin ko, specific iba sa inyo, surprise. Pwedeng yayain kayo sa isang travel. Hoy, sumama ka, libre na to. Di yun para sa lahat, pero may ganong energy. Okay. Next. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Let's see. What's for you again? Para mag-manifest yung energy under your zodiac. Just share the video. Ang bango nung pabango natin. Grabe. May gali. Again, every time na mag-spray, our intention, set your intention sa maganda. We don't chase. We don't chase. Okay? So, tayo ang i-chase. Earth signs. Justice. Page of Wands. Okay, there could be a younger fire sign or a Libra na gustong magkaroon ng pagkakaayos sa inyong dalawa. You're saying the truth. Okay? Magkasabi naman sila ng tunay sa'yo. The Nine of Wands in reversed. The Tower. Let's do that Nine of Wands in reversed. Ang energy dito, it's like parang nakakapagod. Or pwedeng may malalaman kang something. So, andun yung pagod. Two of Chalices. Okay, regarding sa person na kakonect mo, like heavily or strongly connected kayo, may maghahamon ng hiwalayan. Yes, may maghahamon ng hiwalayan dito pero hindi ka papayagan. I'm hearing arguments. Yeah. Strength in reversed. The Page of Pentacles in reverse. Stop procrastinating. Okay? So, iba dito. Yeah. Six of Swords, Three of Pentacles. Energy po yan ng goals ninyo, setting your goals, pagmamanage, building up, parang ganyan. And nakuha ko, maganda to. Okay? Yeah, the Hierophant. This is going through commitments, parang ganyan, para pupunta ka sa isang commitment. So I think this is like a transition pagdating po sa inyo in general. Could be sa pamemera, no, sa career, sa trabaho nyo, could be relationship, parang pataas to, leveling up po. Okay, so I don't know, some of you, it's a challenge ni universe, no, and titingnan niya kung ikaw ba is ready na to level up. Okay, so yeah, we have here Justice and the Page of Wands. That's something talking about sabihin natin parang panimula. Okay, so yung iba dito may chance na makapagbukas ng business or may sisimulang business, maybe small business, yan, mga ganyan, opening another branch could be. Okay, so there, so yun ang aking nakikita for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page, and yung sa po nating YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Again, thank you. Goodbye.